show you how to get on. Yes, you can. Okay, Daddy will show you how to push and get on. Okay. No, she cannot be at the front. Yep.
Take your stickers off your sled, huh? Yeah. I hope those trees are tough. Okay, let's try this one. Let's break this path down.
No, you're gonna get wet. Wear your hood. No, but Julene, Jade, wear your hood. It's not easy to get sick. Kulit, no? Ang snow kasi hindi siya, wet siya pag matagal na sa kamay mo. Jilana, hang on. Whoa! Oo, pag naging tubig siya, parang powder lang siya pero tubig pag ano na. Pero nainitan si Jade. No, you're not gonna be done. No! Your mind is just in your Roblox. You're done in the Roblox for the day. I know, it's boring. Everything is boring with you because you only think of Roblox. Yes. No. You need to get out and play. Come on, I know. Bored daw. Hirap guys, teenager, bored mag-play. Paano nasa Roblox niya? Nasa utak mo kasi Roblox. Go. Yep. Yeah, karma is real. Hey! Go! Bored ka dyan. Teenager na. Diyos ko, Lord. Teenager na, guys. O, diba? May teenager na. Bored na daw. Yeah. Oo, sinabi mo. Jade, bala ka. Oo, MJ. Mga anak ko. Bored na. Pero pag nasa gadgets, hindi bored. No? Bored daw. Pag gadgets, hindi bored. Hindi wow. Oh. Oh, you don't look like bored.
Let's go in the greenhouse hill. Let's go to the greenhouse hill.
Oh, in that one? That's a bigger one.
My neck is itchy.
It's okay.
Okay, bring it over here.
Oh. Okay, let's wait for Julene to come down. Ready, set, go. Hala. Boom. Whoa. Hey, Han. Yeah. Come on. Argentina. Hello. Ito mo, si Jelana. Nagwawala. Oh.
The red one's up there. Is it up there? Yeah, I think up there. Why do you write it down? Don, do you want to write it down? Well, get that. Which one you want? Oh, mine though. Oh, okay. We'll go get the red one. You gotta write it down. Joe's gonna write another one. Oh, yeah! No, we're going to this one. We're going to this hill.
It's a long one, Jelana. No. I'll wait.
We'll wait for Jolene.
Oh, wow, the snow. Oh, lakas na ng snow, guys.
She brought up two of them.